बातचीत होगी उसके बाद ही ये कुछ कहा जा सकता है कि किस दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे।
सर, आज भी आप होपफुल है कि कहीं आगे का रास्ता निकलेगा? कुछ किसानों के बयान आ रहे हैं, सिरसा जी कह रहे हैं जो आपके साथ मीटिंग में आते हैं, उनका कहना है आप रिटर्न में भी एमएसपी देंगे तो भी वो मानने को तैयार नहीं है। कानून
देखिए, दरअसल बैठक में जो बात होगी उसी पर भरोसा किया जा सकता है और कुल मिला के मैं तो आशावान हूं कि निश्चित रूप से किसान सकारात्मक दिशा में सोचेंगे और आंदोलन का रास्ता छोड़ेंगे। बस। मैं तो आशावान हूं कि निश्चित रूप से किसान सकारात्मक दिशा में सोचेंगे और आंदोलन का रास्ता छोड़ेंगे।
Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Shivani, who's going to give us more details. Shivani, all eyes are on that meeting at 2 p.m. between the centre and the farmers. Right now, we've also heard the Union Minister also talking about what's going to be on the cards come 2 p.m. How are we looking at day 10 of the farmer protests?
The latest, I would like to tell that I am at Naren Singh Tomar's house, and just now he has left his residence, and we were able to talk to him, and he has said that the government is quite hopeful to break the deadlock between the farmers, and the government is trying. And today also, when the fifth round of talks will happen, government is quite hopeful that they will consider the demands of the farmers. That's what Naren Singh Tomar, the Union Agriculture Minister, just told us when he was talking to us, and he has left his residence. He'll be holding a lot of meetings, as we know that yesterday also an internal meeting was held at Krishi Bhavan, where the mail which he has received by the farmer associations, the 10-page mail which says, which talks about the demands of these farmers associations, that has been taken into consideration, and the government has also, in the previous rounds, we've seen that government intends to break the deadlock. It assures the farmers that their interests will be taken into account. And Naren Singh Tomar, just now, he has given a statement that the government is ready to talk to the farmers for as long as the dialogue continues. And he has headed for a meeting before 2 p.m. meeting with the farmers today, again the 5th round and the 10th day of the farmer agitation as we are witnessing. But important here is that Naren Singh Tomar has reiterated, he has restated, he has said that government is quite hopeful about breaking the deadlock with the farmers, and any kind of demands and any assurances, any issues of the farmers will be taken into consideration today as well, when the 5th round of talks will happen at Vigyan Bhavan at 2 p.m. And this is the 5th round. We've seen that in previous 4 rounds also, the government has said, and especially Naren Singh Tomar had said that the government holds no ego against the farmers. It intends at helping the farmers. And today also, when they'll be talking open-mindedly. They will listen to all the demands of the farmers.
Developments. Thanks for joining us on the broadcast.